Boy Letole and Tricky Man bafowethu ningizima Africa ngicela uhlale nami ngihlale nawe ngilalele ungizwe vula indlebe listen carefully. Kunento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo bafowethu yabo engifisa ukuthi abantu bayibuke ngamehla akhulile. Yabona bafowethu Metro yenze this competition ekhona yabo efaka phakathi uSminoff noKhuzana yabo. And mina according to mina ngokubona kwami nathi ezabalandeli khona la sifike khona sibe nesandla ekuthenini izinto ezimbi ziqhubekele phambili zenzakala yabo. Number 1, uKhuzani is doing the real maskandi. uKhuzani wenza umaskandi wangempela. uSminoff is actually doing the modern maskandi. You understand? Number 2, for uSminoff to compare himself noKhuzani, it was wrong from the get-go. Nangendlela enza ngayo toward uKhuzani. Yabo? Okunye futhi uKhuzani cannot be compared to any maskandi artist. Ngoba vele so ubahlule every day. Ubahlulile. Ama achievement izinto ezinenge empilweni abangeke baze babe nazo. So bafethu nathi let's not put umlilo kulento kaKhuzani noSminoff. Kodwa ekufanele ukuthi sikuthandazele noma thina sikumotivate ukuthi kwangathi bangathola isolution to lento lena bayiresolve bobabili. Yabo? Labantu laba bayiresolve. Angithola. uSminoff akahlala entweni yakhe njengoba uKhuzani ahlala entweni yakhe. It's not like khona artist engithi ngihamba nalo but ngibheka isituation ukuthi lento le started from where. And the biggest mistake uSminoff ayenza ukuthatha iside likaMthandeni and end up manje sekalaka khona. Yabo? Yamshaya lento leyo because ngingaphinde ngithi mina ngumuntu owusiphaka kanje wrong ngendlela enza ngayo. And uKhuzana azange akathuka uSminoff. You understand? Lento manje ihleli kuSminoff nama supporters kaKhuzana ngezenzo zikaSminoff. But mina njengomuntu okhuluma lento angizama ukuthatha iside ngizama ukunderstandisa abantu ukuthi lento ime kanjani. So mina engifisa ukuthi bangathola isolution to this thing because ubheke nongizwe njengoba bese kakhuluma bese kakhulunyiswa ukuthi phela manje ume esidini likaSminoff ngoba manje sekunoKhuzana. That's why ungizwe bekakhuluma, that's why ungizwe lento le imhethe because uzonda uKhuzana. So manje nathi mase si explain lento kuba ngathi sithatha ama side kanti no asithatha ama side. Sibheke into the way ingakhona, sibeke the way ingakhona. You understand? And it's wrong of uSminoff ukuthi azicompare noKhuzana. Nale comment ayenza it was wrong because uKhuzana bafethu siyazi sonke ukuthi vele sobahlulile. So I think they need to find a way to resolve this thing. Singasoloku bafethu nathi ifa kumlilo siyigaslight into siyikhulisa. Angazi ukuthi omunye umuntu uzoyibona nje but nayibona kanjalo. You can't compare yourself with Khuzana. You can't compare yourself with Khuzana. You can't. You can't compare yourself with Khuzana. Unabalandeli abayi-30, uKhuzana unabalandeli abayi-1,000,000. You can't. And mina lama artists ngiwathanda woyi-2. Woyi-2 lama artists ngiyawathanda. Woyi-2 lama artists ngiyawathanda. And don't forget this thing. Guys, uKhuzana music wakhe usinikeza equality. uSminoff akakafiki ku level kaKhuzana. So vele angeke aze asinikeze equality efana nekaKhuzana. So we can't keep comparing these two people. We can't. It's wrong. We can't, bafethu. We can't. I'm not taking side Lamuntu, but we can't keep comparing these two artists.